So that brings us to the importance of a well-defined niche. And I'm talking slow because I really want you to digest this. And although I'm, your typical sis and bestie, I still want to make sure that each word is sinking in and that you can understand this on the go, whether you're at work, whether you're taking care of the kids, whether you're at the supermarket, right? Like, I want this to be super interactive, and even if it's through hearing, right? Because it matters, right? I don't want to just talk quickly. If you like faster speeds, by all means click the 2x button, but I really want this to be valuable and something that you can literally just listen to and understand and really just take action, right? We have so many resources that we have and that we learn from, that we're still digesting the material, but we haven't really executed or taken action on it because it's just so much, right? And the point of this is that we're not overwhelmed, right? That brings us back to the first point. We don't want to be overwhelmed with any of it, right? So let's get back to the importance of your well-defined niche, right? So clarity matters, and it matters because when you define your audience, you can craft your content that resonates, right? Imagine like trying to tell your friends, right, about a product, or try to sell your product to just about anyone, right? And your message becomes watered down and diluted, right? But if you focus on one specific group, like new moms struggling with time management, your solutions will feel tailor-made, right? Because it's so specific to new moms struggling with time management. So let's give another example, right, of like an effective niche. So take like someone who's transitioned from, the vague self-help advice, right, to focusing on young professionals navigating their first job, right? Can you see the similarities in that? Like, their engagement and their sales are going to double because their message hit the right people. So we're talking about new moms struggling with time management, right? And now we have another example of young professionals navigating their first job, right? So it's not so vague, but it's very specific to the person that you literally want to sell to. And yes, sometimes niches don't have to be boxed in. And yes, you can broaden your horizons and maybe pull in people from everywhere. But starting off, you definitely want to hone in on one thing until you're successful.